Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. It's Monday. So actually, on Monday like this, the best thing or the first thing that you're supposed to do actually is to check the economic news. Check economic news. Actually, today is not that day where we're supposed to look for trades. We just have to understand what's really happening and what might happen during the week. And when we check, we have enough economic news that I'm still going to show you during the video. So today I'm just expecting just to do the proper analysis so that from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, things are going to be in our favor. I hope you get that. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening? If you did watch my weekly analysis, you can see that we don't actually have any crazy move. You can see that yes, the market has been actually pushing to the upside as we are on that uptrend. The market is uptrending. The market is pushing to the upside. You can see that the market is pushing to the upside. So for us actually, and when the market is doing like this, we have to follow the trend. We have to follow the trend. We don't actually even think twice. When the trend is pushing up, we look for that bullish momentum. But where we are now, the market on Friday did push the upside, but currently we don't actually have a proper resistance. So what I'm going to do, or what we're supposed to do here, on top here, we're supposed to wait for the market to show us a reversal. Once it reverses, we will be ready to think about taking trades around that zone. You see this area, it's where I think the market will try to come back and respect that. If not, maybe we will see the market creating something. But yes, currently the market is actually going to the upside. Do you see that? GBPJPY, we're pushing to the upside. So what's really happening on gold? Gold has been actually playing games with us, but what we can actually check here, I think it's just straightforward. Let me do this. Yeah. So I think it's actually straightforward. You can easily see that yes, even though the market has been playing games around that level, you can easily see that the market is actually on that uptrend. Whatever that is happening here, it's fine, but we know that as long as the market is not breaking this resistance, or this support area, it means we are still pushing to the upside. So let's go closer. Let's go closer and see what's really happening. What's really happening? You can see that the market is trying to push the upside, but on top here, we actually have that resistance. We actually I did show you this the time we were on a live session, where you can see actually we have a very nice resistance here. I think this thing is getting slower. Oh, my battery is dying, sorry. So we can easily see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually on our resistance area. So actually this means that for us to start to think twice about buying, we have to wait for the market to break this resistance. Then we can say now it's time for the market to do what? To push the upside. Or maybe the market will bounce back, reach this support area, or maybe this lowest one before we see a push to the upside. That's what I see. I hope you also see that. So for now, we will be just waiting for the market to break out as we expect the market to push up. But since we have economic news starting from tomorrow, things might just actually be way too slower. Mostly when we have the news, like when we expect economic news, most of the time, the market can seriously push, like seriously slower. Actually, the market will just range. So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening on US30? We can easily see that yes, the market is now pushing to the upside, but we don't actually have to forget that we have this area. Do you see this area? It's actually a resistance, and we need to push this here because we can easily see that the market is pushing towards that. So once the market is pushing towards that, there is a chance for the market to break it, or the market can just follow what happened here. And if it follows that, it means we will see the market pushing to the lower side. Do you see that? Yes, here the market was giving us a very nice sell. We have a quick breakout. We took a very nice buy there, but we don't actually have to forget that we have a resistance on top there. We have a resistance here. So now the market can buy here. The market can still push up, but we have to be extra careful because there is a possibility for the market to push lower. So today, actually, I think it will be a very good time for us just to talk about the economic news, how the market might go, just to analyze the fundamentals, you see. So if we do that, I think that is going to be something very, very good for us. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is actually NASDAQ. Let's push to the next one, which is actually NASDAQ. And then we will be actually going to straight to the news. We will be going straight to the news. So let's see. Okay. So on NASDAQ has been playing games actually with us, but actually what I see here is we are still on that bullish momentum. So where we are, actually, we can easily see that the market reached the highest area where we can actually call it a resistance. But along the way, the market was just going up and down. On the 4 hours, you can see that, but you will see that actually on 1 hour. But even though the market is playing games around these areas, we can easily see that the market is being actually consistent with pushing to the upside, which means yes, we're supposed to look for that. But since we never had aggressive rejection, I think the market might give us something like that, a sell-off, before we see a nice push. That's what I see. So let's go closer. Let's go closer. Let's go closer. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who actually want to join the team, it's $99. $99 for lifetime VIP signals. So you will just let me know if you want to be part of the team. So yeah, let's go. Actually, let's push a little bit closer. Let's use 2 hours time frame before we check our economic news. So on the economic news, we can easily see that yes, sorry, before we go on the economic news, but now on the 2 hours time frame, we can easily see that, oh, we have a very nice structure where the market actually respected. You see, on the bottom side, we have also a zone where we can call it support. We can see that the market respected. On top, it's a resistance. So now our job is to do what? Since we are actually on a bullish momentum or uptrend, it means we will wait for the market to break, and then we can look for a buy around this area. Or else, maybe the market might do what? The market might push lower. Maybe the market will find a support around this area, or maybe a little bit lower on our primary support area. I hope you see that. So let's check the news and see what's really happening. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let's check the economic news. So today, as I said, we just need to actually relax. We don't actually have anything. It means we just have to understand what's really happening, especially on the economic news side, because tomorrow we will be trading some serious news and we don't actually have to miss these ones. So tomorrow, Tuesday, 2:30 CPI US, you can see CPI, then we will be actually on our live session. We have to see what's really happening. I think the market will be, I think this inflation will be trying to push a little bit lower. I can see even the estimates, they're saying that it's going a bit lower. Let's hope that is going to happen, because if that is going to happen, we're going to see the likes of NASDAQ, gold pushing to the upside. I hope you see that. So on Wednesday, there's PPI 2:30. Not really that important, but we have the biggest one, FOMC. around 8 o'clock in the evening. So we're going to go on our live session. So you have to smash that notification button so that you don't really miss that. On our forecast here or estimates, they say they're not going to change anything. So it means if they do that, it's going to be very, very good for us, because that's what we want. Actually, that's what we want. And it means dollar can lose that strength if this is going to be correct, but we're going to just see what's really happening. Going further, let's go down and see. On Thursday, we have like unemployment for Australia, 3:30. That's late. 2:15 during the day. Interest rates for Europe. I think we're gonna check this one. It seems like they're going to increase with 25 basis points. Let's hope they do that. So later on, we also have retail sales and unemployment claims. So we have enough actually on the table today. We have actually enough on our plate to chew. So which means actually this is a great week, because we're going to have some serious moves. So if you don't really want to miss any of these updates, this type of content, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends, so that you're not going to miss any update on this type of moves. I will be updating these moves like every day early in the morning. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.